Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a review of the Astro A50 headphones. Now these headphones have been highly rated and I've been using them for a few weeks now. So I wanted to share my thoughts with you. And when I first opened the box, I was impressed with the build quality of the headphones. The sleek design and the soft touch materials give them a premium feel. They are a bit on the heavier side, but they are still comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. Now let's talk sound quality. When it comes to sound quality, the Astro A50 headphones do not disappoint. The audio is clear, rich, and immersive. The 50mm drivers deliver powerful bass, balanced midtones, and crisp highs. Whether you're playing games or listening to music, the 50mm drivers deliver powerful bass, balanced midtones, and crisp highs. Let's talk about the mic quality. The built-in mic is also impressive. The voice quality is clear and the noise-canceling technology does a great job of filtering out background noise. My friends could hear me loud and clear during online game sessions. Some of the features: the Astro A50 headphones come packed with features. They have surround sound capabilities, customizable EQ settings, and game chat balance controls. The headphones also come with a base station that doubles as a charger. You can easily adjust the mic and mute it when needed. The battery life is also great, lasting up to 15 hours. So in conclusion, I'm really impressed with the Astro A50 headphones. They have a great build quality, a fantastic sound, and impressive features. If you're in the market for a new pair of headphones, I highly recommend giving the Astro A50s a try. I'll put a link down in the description down below of where you can get one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.